Let's add moving text. First of all, I'm selecting the text tool from this tool panel, and here I'm just writing my text. And now I'm highlighting my entire text. And here in this essential graphics section, I'm just changing my text color. And here I'm just increasing my text size. Okay. After that, all you have to need, adjust your text layer or clip size, and then select your text layer or clips and go to effect controls. In here, you find this position effect. So select the position effect and make sure to put the playhead at the top of your text clip and enable this toggle animation for position. Once it's enabled, now we have to decrease this position horizontal value. So just press the down arrow key on your keyboard, and that's how you have to move this text outside of your video. And after that, you have to move this playhead, and for example, I want to move or show my text in this position. So here's I'm adding another keyframe, and this time I have to again give the value here 500 or 700 until my text goes to center, and then I'm just playing my timeline. As you can see, my text is now moving automatically, and this is how we can do it.